Hello, Sansegal sales reps. We're going to go through Picasa, getting familiarized with the program itself. Starting with the left-hand column, we've got all our categories. Don't freak out, there is a lot of them. Every time Jamie adds a little folder together, she's going to pretty much add a category. This is really easy for us to do on our side because we can do it by year, we can do it by season, by specific show, etc. Obviously, to the right is our thumbnail of the designs that are contained within the album. Keep in mind here in the bottom left, you've got a little scroll bar I'm going to mess with. This will show you how to make your icons larger and smaller. The next thing I want you to point out is that very, very important that when you're sitting down with a client, you want to be able to know everything there is to know about the search function. The search function is up here at the top with the little magnifying glass. That is a filtration device. It will filter out all the designs that will or will not include certain things. By typing in the word surf, you can see that all these different words come up that involve surf. Surfboards, surfer, surfing. Given that there's 89 results, I will click on surf. As I've clicked on surf, please attention to the left-hand column. At this point, you will need to click on the category at the top. If you do not click on the category at the top, you will not scroll from top to bottom. As you're scrolling, I'm just using the scroll wheel here on the mouse. Use a little scroll wheel here on the side of the program. Just going through designs. Again, your client's looking at it. They're going to play the love it or hate it game at this point. Keep in mind, at any time up here, you can type in surf and go to sharks. At any time, you can type in pretty much anything you want to in that upper search box. And of course, as you can tell, the left-hand column has reduced significantly. At this point, I'm going to click on the shark design I see here. Once you click on it, keep in mind that little scroll bar is still active and you can enlarge or shrink the image. In order for you to get out of the image mode, you will have to click on the upper left back to library, and that will take you back to your original window. Keep in mind the original window, you still have sharks selected in your search box, so you are filtering out all the shark designs. In order for that to change, so you notice the categories are reduced here. In order for that to change, you're going to need to go back up into the shark search field and highlight and hit backspace, or you can go ahead and click the little X here, and that will close out your search and return you back to the screen you were looking at before. Keep in mind that you're still defaulted in the middle of the scroll deal there, and you want to go ahead and scroll up to the top if you want to start searching from the top.